Okay, to remove the 3 connectors, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. The far left one has a small tab you can press in on the far back left side. It's kind of difficult to see. Okay. And you can see, pinch it right here with your pointing finger, and it should pop out. I already pre-removed these, so they're a little bit easier to pop right out. The center one should have a connector on the bottom, which I will show momentarily. I can get it to release. Oh, there it is on the pointing finger. There's a connector on the bottom. Right here, you can press on the tab where my thumb is at. And the far right one, towards the end back here, if it focuses, the far back, you can press inward and pinch. That comes up. And that should be it. Okay.